right now, the entire crypto market is up about 5.35%. We're seeing the market cap at about $1.67 trillion. This is the first day we're seeing about an over 5% return in the green for the day. And this is mainly driven by Ethereum up 5.7%, Binance up almost 17%, Dogecoin up over 30%, Polkadot up over 15%. This is mainly driven by those 4-5 coins. But today's a really good day for Ethereum because we had a big announcement come out recently that institutional investors are actually loading up on Ethereum, and Ethereum it just hit a new all-time high in terms of assets under management of Ethereum products. So right now, Ether products represent more than 1/4 of the assets under management in crypto investment products. So there are things called ETPs, which are exchange traded products, which allow institutional investors to get exposure to different sorts of altcoins like Ethereum, Cardano, things like that. And right now, Ethereum in the past week saw about $46.8 million inflow from institutions into these ETPs, which represents about 63% of the total money from institutions put into these different exchange traded products. Last week we saw $74 million total from institutions go into different cryptos, and 63% of that was just in Ethereum. We also saw about $5.2 million go into Cardano, $4.5 million go into XRP, and about $3.8 million into Polkadot. All of these were into different exchange traded products. So this is just a way for institutions to get exposure to different altcoins, different cryptos without actually owning the underlying coins. But right now, this is important because we're seeing outflows from Bitcoin continue. This past week, we saw inflows into Ethereum, outflows from Bitcoin. We only saw about $4 million flow out of the markets for Bitcoin in terms of ETPs and exchange traded funds. But this is important because we are continuing to see institutions be concerned about environmental issues with Bitcoin and a couple of other things going on. So because of this, we're seeing more and more institutions turn towards Ethereum, turn towards other altcoins as being more promising investments long term than Bitcoin. So this is important, and something could happen very soon, sooner than people are expecting, called Ethereum flipping. And this is when Ethereum's market cap will surpass Bitcoin's market cap, and we're getting a lot closer to this. Just a couple weeks ago, it looked like it was going to take a while, but now Ethereum's market cap is sitting at $312 billion. Bitcoin's market cap is at $695 billion. So we're just a little more than, for Ethereum to surpass Bitcoin in terms of market cap, it's going to just have to a little more than 2x from where it is right now, which is much closer than we have ever seen it before. Typically, like earlier in the year, Ethereum would have had to 5 to 10x to surpass Bitcoin in terms of market cap, but now it is looking much more promising. It's looking like it's going to do it much sooner than people are expecting, and this is just a very important thing. I think Ethereum definitely has a chance to do this because a lot of people are concerned about Bitcoin and environmental issues with mining. But Ethereum, right now, it's not the best for the environment, but with the rollout of ETH 2.0, which will be happening within the next 3 months, that will make Ethereum 99% more energy efficient. It'll increase the transactions per second, which makes it more scalable it increases scalability, efficiency, things like that. And because of those reasons, in addition to the fact that people can build decentralized finance applications, smart contracts, and NFTs all on Ethereum's network, I think Ethereum has a very high probability of surpassing Bitcoin in terms of market cap this year, which would put it at least double the price from where it is right now. But this is just interesting to see that we are seeing institutional investors continue to load up on Ethereum versus loading up on Bitcoin. We are seeing the shift, and this is something we haven't really seen in a while. For the last year, we still see that about $4.4 billion has flown into Bitcoin versus only $973 million into Ethereum, but we're seeing this trend reverse, which is something you guys need to keep an eye out for moving forward, something that I've been looking at because it's pretty important, and it could be a signal that we could see Ethereum's price surpass Bitcoin very soon.